Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we dive into the nitty-gritty of products so you don't have to. Today, we're pitting two robotic titans against each other, the iRobot Roomba J7, aka Roomba, and the Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo, aka Loorow. It's gonna be a battle of brains, brawn, and a whole lot of suction power. Let's get ready to rumble. First up, let's talk about the price. Both these bad boys come in at a cool $599. That's right, folks, for the price of a small island in the middle of nowhere, you can have a robot clean your house. So no winner here. They both hit your wallet equally hard. Now, let's dive into the tech. The Roomba boasts Imprint Smart Mapping, which is a fancy way of saying it knows your house better than you do. It even has customizable keep-out zones. So, if you've got that one room where you store all your embarrassing childhood memorabilia, Roomba's got your back. On the flip side, Loorow comes with PresaSense LiDAR navigation. That's right, folks, LiDAR, like the stuff they use in self-driving cars. It creates accurate maps and can even clean specific areas with voice commands. Alexa, make the Loorow clean up my life. So, Roomba's like your overprotective friend who knows all your secrets, while Loorow's like a high-tech chauffeur who listens to your every command. Tough choice, but I'm giving this round to Loorow for the cool factor. LiDAR FTW. Next, let's talk about how lazy you can be. Roomba has the iRobot Genius feature that lets it clean when you're away. So you come home to a clean house without lifting a finger. It's like having a magical cleaning fairy. But wait, Loorow takes laziness to a whole new level with its self-empty dock. This bad boy empties itself for up to 60 days. That's 2 months of not having to touch a dustbin. It even has a 3.2L dust bag that you can replace. Basically, Loorow is the ultimate slacker's dream. Sorry, Roomba, Loorow's got you beat in this set it and forget it department. Another point for Loorow. Let's move on to cleaning modes. Roomba is like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning. It navigates under and around furniture, along edges, and won't kamikaze down the stairs thanks to its cliff detect feature. It's basically a parkour expert. Loorow, on the other hand, offers 6 cleaning modes, including auto, spot, edge, zigzag, scheduled, and manual. Plus, it combines sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping. It's like the overachiever in your high school class who was good at everything and made you look bad. Roomba is agile and smart, but Loorow is the multitasking maestro. I gotta give this one to Loorow again. Sorry, Roomba fans. Alright, let's talk suction power. Roomba does a decent job, but Loorow cranks it up to 4,500 pascals. That's enough suction to pull a small pet off the floor. Just kidding, but seriously, it's powerful enough to handle pet hair and debris like a champ. Roomba, you tried, but Loorow's got the muscle in this matchup. Another win for Loorow. Based on Amazon reviews, both products have their strengths. Reviewers praise the Roomba J7 for its advanced mapping, obstacle recognition, and efficient cleaning on hardwood floors and low-pile rugs. However, some have noted minor issues with the bin sensor and noise level. On the other hand, the Loorow 3-in-1 robot vacuum and mop combo is lauded for its exceptional cleaning performance, large self-emptying dustbin, superior mapping, and versatility with its mopping feature. Reviewers appreciate its strong suction, ease of use, and value for money. So there you have it, folks. In the epic showdown between Roomba and Loorow, Loorow takes the crown with its superior tech, hands-free cleaning, versatile modes, and insane suction power. But hey, Roomba still has its loyal fans and some nifty features. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more Buy Smart comparisons. Until next time, keep shopping smart, and may your floors always be spotless. Product links are in the description.